Meaning of dispossessed.
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 Dispossessed. The term dispossessed refers to a group of people who have been deprived of their possessions, land, or rights. They are often marginalized and lack access to basic necessities such as food, shelter, and healthcare. The result of being dispossessed is that these individuals or communities are left vulnerable to exploitation and discrimination. They may struggle to find employment or means of income and are often relegated to living in poverty. This can lead to a cycle of generational poverty, as the dispossessed lack opportunities to improve their circumstances and break free from their disadvantaged situations.